This is Shelley from China, TSE Green Silo Company Limited. Today I would like to show you our temperature monitoring cable. So the temperature monitoring cable include the station box, the host machine, and all the cables with sensor, and the software in the computer. So there are several different parts to make up the whole system. So today I will introduce every part to everybody one by one. Okay, firstly, I will introduce the cable for you. Okay, look at here. This is the main part of the system. We call this temperature monitoring cable. This blue pipe outside the sensor is used for help the sensor to protect the sensor inside to be safe. And inside there is the white pipe, and the sensor is fixed inside the white pipe. Every 2 meters or every 1 meter, there is one sensor and another one. So the quantity of the sensors on each cable is different from the length of the cable. And the length of the temperature monitoring cables is also different, depends on the height of the warehouse or the height of the green silo. Look at here, this hook is used to hang on the temperature monitoring cable to the other steel structures. So the cable will be lifted inside the warehouse or the silo. And to make the cable strong enough, we use the steel wires. This is the steel wires to make the cable very strong. So the sensor will be safe inside. This is the digital sensor. Connecting with this sensor, it is the signal cable. This signal cable connects to the station box. Look at the station box. It's very small and flexible, but very workful station box. This is the remote system and the solar panel. So you don't need to charge the power on the site. So it's very flexible to be fixed on the site. And if there are several pieces of the cables in each warehouse, so you have every cable connecting with the temperature cable, and all the cables will be connected to the station box. So one station box can connect with some quantity of the cables. So if you have more than 15 cables in one warehouse, you only need to have one station box. Okay, so the signal will be transferred by the remote station box to the host machine. The host machine receives the signal from the station box. And after receiving the signal from the station box, the host machine will transfer all the information to the computer by this kind of information data transformation cable. So in the computer, from the computer, you will read the number of the temperature. So what is the temperature of the grain inside the silo or inside the warehouse? You will read easily from the computer like it. So no matter how many cables you have in one silo, no matter how many sensors on each cable, you can read them very clearly from the computer software. And some customers will not only have one silo or one warehouse in each site. So if you have more than one silo, you also can check the information very easily by the system computer software, just like it. So if you have more quantity of the cables, then you have more quantity of the station box. and then all the information will be transferred to the host machine. From the host machine you will receive the information in the computer. So that is how the temperature monitoring cables work in the system. So how do they set up in the silo? You can have a look at the silo system. In the silo system, look at here, there are blue cable sample fixed inside the silo. This is how do they fix inside the silo. And on each cable, there are sensors on each cable. So by using this digital sensor, you will get to know the temperature of the grain inside the silo. So which will help the farmers to protect their grain very safe. So it is a very useful system from TSE Grain Silo Company, provided to all over the world. If you like to get some cables, or if you like to get the whole system from our company, just contact us. Thank you.